everybody. Everybody, I want to show you how beautiful nature can be, and I'm going to show you right now. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And now let's get started. Look at that. Clouds in the sky, grass is green, and trees. And way back there is a creek. So this is what it looks like. Alright, if you like creek, trees, and green, and golf course, comment down below. And thank you much for joining. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Press subscribe. Ring that bell if you want to see more of this video. And thank you for joining. Bye.